It may be noted that Goa police have given a clean chit to its senior officers who triggered a controversy when they visited an offshore casino last week. Goa Director General of Police Bhimsen Basi has likened visiting offshore casinos to visiting temples, churches and going on fishing trips, while defending controversial partying on board an offshore casino by 4 superintendents of police and other senior officers of Goa Police.
Fact of the matter is, they have gone in their private capacity to a place which is perfectly legal, and I cannot find any fault on that count. You see, many people go to temples and many people go to churches, many people go to restaurants to eat, many people go for fishing, some people go for many other things. So it is a personal choice.
Last night, 4 superintendents of police along with 2 deputy superintendents and an inspector created a stir after they locked themselves up at a bar aboard the casino vessel MV Casino Royale to avoid media persons who were attending a press conference there. The senior police officials were the focus of attention after they refused to step out of the shut bar room in the presence of the media. The act of the senior police officials patronizing casinos was also condemned by sections of the society. However, Mr. Basi also ruled out any inquiry against the 7 police officials.
Honorable HM, he has spoken to me and he agrees that a person in his private capacity can always go to a place which is legal.
Mr. Basi's statement is in contrast to Home Minister Ravi Naik's comments to the media on Saturday that he summoned the DGP and had asked him to initiate an inquiry into the visit to a casino by 7 officers. Responding to the belly dancing issue at the opening of a new police station at Anjuna, Mr. Basi said that the Russian belly dancing after the inauguration of the police station was not illegal. He clarified that it was done after taking prior permission from the Inspector General of Police.
That it was a performance where they used, I think, rings and ribbons, and it was more of an artistic performance. It was I'll say it was an artistic form of dance. And that has been done in the open, which was not only open to public, but you could see even the stage from the roadside. So nothing illegal or, if I may say, unlawful has been done.